Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experiences. Today we're taking a closer look at Capital One, specifically their website at capitalone.com. Navigating the site, you'll find a wealth of information regarding their various financial products and services. From credit cards tailored for different needs and spending habits, to checking and savings accounts designed to help you manage your finances, Capital One offers a diverse range of options. They also provide resources for auto loans, helping you finance your next vehicle purchase. For those interested in investing and growing their wealth, Capital One also has investment options available. Small business owners aren't left out either, as Capital One provides business banking solutions designed to support their growth and operations. Beyond the products themselves, CapitalOne.com features educational resources and tools, empowering customers to make informed financial decisions. Their website is designed to be user-friendly, enabling you to easily explore their offerings, apply for products, and manage your accounts online. You can also find contact information for customer support, should you have any questions or require assistance. Capital One emphasizes security on their platform, taking measures to protect your financial information and transactions. Whether you're looking for a new credit card, a better banking experience, or exploring investment opportunities, Capital One's website at capitalone.com offers a comprehensive overview of their services, allowing you to research and choose the best options for your financial goals. They also have a mobile app available, offering convenient access to your accounts and financial tools on the go. Visiting their website is a great starting point for understanding the variety of financial products and services available from Capital One. Make sure to check out the FAQ section for answers to common questions, as well as any current promotions they might be running. Remember to do your own research and compare Capital One's offerings with other financial institutions to ensure you're making the most informed decision for your individual needs.